Now we're going to learn how to change the electrode from the headpiece. And you want to do this once the counter hits 0 or you notice that the electrode is wearing down. It's very easy to do. First, you want to make sure the machine is off and unplugged from the power source. The second thing you want to do is unscrew this from the console. You're unscrewing the headpiece from the console. You're going to unscrew the headpiece like this. And this is the electrode here. Using the wrench, you're going to unscrew the electrode. Now there's water underneath the electrode, so the water may come out, but you want to hold it down so that the water is facing downwards. And you're going to pull out the electrode. You're going to take the new electrode, put it back into the hole, screw it until it's tight with your hand, and then take the wrench and then give it a couple of turns until it's tight. Make sure that it's dry there, so if any water came out, you want to wipe down the water. And then you're going to insert this back into the handpiece like this. It's like screwing in a light bulb. You screw the handpiece back into the console, and that's all there is to it.